We at Hoopman feel that the future of seed treatment is fully automated. We develop machines in close cooperation with our clients. Our newest system demonstrates how state-of-the-art engineering combines precision, efficiency and reliability.
Together with SUET, we have implemented the first fully automated system of its kind. This project demonstrates how innovation succeeds in close partnership and how we are shaping the future of seed treatment with customized solutions.
The demands in the seed industry are high. Every single seed should be treated exactly the same, regardless of quantity and time. Our customers expect processes that are safe, reproducible and economical. From the initial filling of the drum, through washing, centrifuging and priming to the final drying, every step is automated and technically at the highest level.
With this new service, we are expanding our existing range and can now provide nearly all steps of seed processing under one roof.
The system operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, modular, efficient and with seamless process control. For our customers, this means maximum process reliability, consistent quality and the ability to treat seeds on a large scale with documented traceability. A solution that was developed from practical requirements, this will change the market for good.
We create together, with reliability as our standard,